This episode will be teaching about how to trade by voice command on IQOPTION. This will be some examples only, so you can adapt what you learn later for future uses. So normally we trade by clicking, right? Either buy or sell on IQOPTION. It can be on any platforms like on application or on website, but today I will add an alternative for you guys by this trading by voice command. It's not hard to do since I have already added a function for you on API IQOPTION. So firstly, start with this code from. This is actually used in IQOPTION trading program that I'm teaching. And then API is equal to IQOPTION. And then you add your username and your password as an argument inside the brackets, like this, and don't forget the quotation marks. Okay, and the next one, comma, and then followed by the password. Okay. So these two terms need to be in the same brackets because they're string, right? Next is API.connect. Next, I recommend you to use PyCharm. You have to install it first by searching for Python PyCharm on Google. I use this one because it can show results in Thai language, and this is used for running codes, and Visual Program is used for writing codes, since I am more familiar with the Visual Program. So let's open PyCharm. Okay. I don't know why it's not open yet. Let me check something. Okay, here it is. Okay, next try get a function by API.EDSG get audio. This is one of my code that I provided. Okay, this has no argument, so leave as blank in the brackets. So let's okay, then print text. So when I run and then I order it verbally, it will show result as text. So next, I will create a new project right here on PyCharm. Okay. Okay, delete here. Then let's open my code. Okay, done. And get back here after writing these codes. It's time to run it. Okay. Okay, let's use while true loop to run instead, like this. Add while true. Okay, So let's run again. Okay, hello. Okay, let me check something. Okay, hello. That's it. สวัสดีครับ if I say something it can't understand, it will show none like this. Right now, it only has Thai language available, so it will only show Thai language here. I will add English later in the argument as soon as possible. I will use Thai for now. So when I speak, it will show text like this as sting. Like this. I'll exit first. Okay. See, in the brackets is a sting. It shows text like this as a sting. And when I will normally use if and else. Alright, so take it easy. So when I say buy, it is an order to buy. And when I say sell, is an order to sell. So I'll show you how to use. I'll give some examples first. Okay, starting by if text and an exclamation mark equal to none. It means if text is unequal to none. And let's use another one instead. Let's say if text is equal to buy. Then it will order by. And order by is equal to call. And when I want to order by on IQOPTION, I have to use this code right here, API.buy digital spot. Then put the amount of money you want to trade, and then followed by the currency pair. In my case is euro and dollars. I will also add OTC too because today is Saturday. Okay. And then order by. Alright. So there are two terms here, call and put. Call is to buy and put is to sell. Or put. Like this. So after you order to buy, I have to insert a time limit too. Let's see. So here, there are three choices: 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. In my case, I'll use 1 minute. Okay, so when I say buy, it will order by accordingly. If you don't want it to be complicated, it can be written like this too. Okay, just change the currency pair to call. And here, delete order by away. Oh wait, actually I have to put call right here instead. Okay, alright. Okay, I put it in the while true loop, so it will keep running in the loop. Okay, next is else. I use else if instead. Else if text equal to sell, it will sell. Yeah, it will order to sell. So change call here to put. So just copy paste the code and change call to put. And then another one is else if again. So else if text equal to exit. Okay. It will break break is to exit the loop. Last one is else. No. Let's use else if again. Oh, since it's the last one, let's get back to else. I think else is better. So if there is no command at all, just pass. And lastly, let me check first. Okay. Okay, then print. Okay, then print finished as the end of that trade. In case anyone watches people trading live, also with low delay, you can use this program to detect the voice of the trader, and then you can use that as a voice command and trade following them. It's all up to you. Actually, it can be used for many things other than trading. Alright, but my course is for making bot only for IQOPTION, so that is enough. So let's test the program. I will run it on PyCharm. So run. Now it is waiting for my voice command. Okay, I already ordered buy, but there's an error. After, let's see what's wrong. So let's look at the code first. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Let me check this. Okay, let me check on API side. Sometimes it's long and I can't remember the whole thing. Okay, let me see. Buy digital spot. Oh, not this one. Here it is, buy digital spot. Oh, it is actives and then amount. And actives is stands for currency pair. So I got it switched. So this currency pair has to come first. Okay. And then followed by amount. And then action, and then the duration. Action is to call or to put, and duration is a time limit. Okay, and then I'll switch this one too. Okay. Alright, let's run. Buy. See, it is how the order buy. Then cell. Here it also has other cell. If I was analyzing the graph and I'm afraid I won't click it right on time, I can just use this method to order, to buy or to sell immediately. Buy. Okay, here it is. Next I'll adjust the delay to be faster. Okay, I think right here, the duration from 5 to 1. While running the program, be careful of your own words. It might order immediately right after you say something unintentionally. Or maybe you can change the voice command to be longer. For example, you can say change from bye to okay bye to be longer and safer. Alright, let's try running it again. Bye. Here it is. Sell. Okay. Buy. 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 Okay, it's here. It's here now. Okay. The orders are already expired now. Okay. Oh, such a large gap. Sell. Here it is. Okay, this is all about it. You can adjust it based on your preference and your understanding, like change the voice command and so on. And for the API, if I fix it or upgrade it when I finish everything, I will inform you later in the group. And I will add an argument later to add more languages. So right now is only in type, like you can see. Just in case anyone wants to develop it to further use, I'll add more languages. Okay, I would like to finish this episode about voice command right here. So thank you for watching and goodbye.